It's me, Tally House, and today in this video I'm going to be joined by my friend
Lane.
And today in this video we are showing his fidget spinners, aren't we, Reese? So Reese is going to tell you a bit about them, and we're going to pick one, aren't we, Reese? So,
randomly, and then we'll just keep picking them randomly, and there's also two special ones that we're going to show you at the end.
yeah, I put them in the packet. Right, so I've got this orange one, or pink one I should say. What colour is this, Reese? Orange or pink?
That's pink.
Well, it's more of a pinky orange colour basically. And you did give this to your mum, I think.
Yeah, that's my mum's, because I have another one in a different colour, so you can see that in a minute. But yeah, so I let her have one, and then she started buying other ones. So the one in the packet, well, one of them is my mum's, and the other one is mine.
So we'll tell you about the ones, the latest ones
at
the end. Yeah, Reese.
Right, so this one is the Minecraft one. That's my second latest. This one's really cool because it has 7 metal balls and sides, and you can move them up and down, which is really cool. And the Minecraft thing is actually really cool because it looks a lot like a block, but I don't know what block. And it's really cool, and it's also cool in the middle because it has a like a little higher circle at the both sides. So yeah.
Here we have the Captain America one, and the Captain America one is amazing. Me and Reese, we did like not really a race. We just got all the fidget spinners, and we were going like this, and then this one was still spinning after all of them was like all of them was like that, and then this one's still going, and this one is quite awesome because you see it's not going, but then you do when it moves.
It'll do that at the back, but if you look at it at the front,
you don't know that it's even moving.
It doesn't even look like it's spinning, but really it is if you show the back. It's really cool. Yeah. So yeah. And this one is like a pterodactyl one. This is one of my mum's actually. It looks like it has a pterodactyl with the T-Rex that flies. I don't know their name. It has the head, and it also has one of his hands or claws, whatever it is. And yeah,
it's cool. And here, when me and Reese went shopping, Reese chose fidget spinners. So me and Reese picked 2 fidget spinners basically. This is Reese's. So they have the blue marbles, and we have this white thing. And then I have green marbles, purple instead of white, and then this here is all green, and then the writing's white. So that's my one. That's my one, the purple one, and this one is Reese's. Reese's is cool, and I want to do a fidget spinner video soon of all of mine. I'm going to have to get all of mine together.
This one has 4. Has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's really cool because it looks like it's like 5 fidget spinners in one fidget spinner. Because with these, it looks like a fidget spinner with these little circles look like the bearings, and it looks like a spiky fidget spinner on the floor, which is really cool. And it's not that fast. It was slow. This was actually the second one that's stopped first, which was kind of surprising, but yeah.
This one is a black one. Reese said this is the first one he ever had, but it came a little bit late. Yeah, that was the first one he bought, but it came a little bit late.
It came in the package and it was just wrong, so we had to send it back and try and get it again. But it took a little while because it was from Japan.
And he lost the back, so you changed it to red, so it's got black and red.
Yeah, and I also got a lot more bearings I can change these bearings with. So yeah, this is another one of my mum's. She thought it was dolphins.
But it's fishes.
It's really fishes. She didn't know, but when she got it, she looked carefully and she seen it was fishes. It's really cool. It has 3 fishes.
it's a bit slow.
This was the first one that actually stopped.
What about the other one? I thought you said the other one stopped.
Oh, the black one.
I've got it.
Yeah, no. Forgot. Oh, it might be in here. No.
So you said so that one stopped first, but then the other one he was on about
second.
That stopped.
The third, then the fourth. That was the fifth.
We
this
know
was
the
sixth, 7, and then there's one more. 8, and then the other, and then this was the
last
winner.
It was still going.
It was still going for another.
Still going.
It was still going for another 2 minutes. And we're like, how long is it going to take? And it was literally taking.
Did you show that? So the black one was the blue one. Yeah. Basically, it's lost a bearing, but this one has, I think. You swapped them around, so this had the black bearing, didn't it? That had the black bearing, that had the red bearing. So we'll stick the bearings in now.
Yeah, that one's easy to come out, that's why I had to switch it, but it didn't work, so yeah.
But we can still just spin it
in the metal.
Oh, I don't know. I think it's over here somewhere. And then, have we showed them all now? I think we have.
Yeah, this one. This is the last one. So, yeah, this one's really cool.
The bearings come out.
Yeah, these are the bearings. This is what it looks like. I've got to get a closer look. Drink.
Can't.
Yeah. Let's try and...
The bearings come out when I was trying to spin it, basically.
Yeah, so we just left them out. This one's cool because it's like a spiral all the way around. It's really cool. There's like a little one and there's a big one, which is awesome. And it's 3 of them. They're not all connected, but there's 3, which are cool. So
also,
1, 2, 3.
Also, I'm going to make a shout out about Reese Lane. Go and check his channel out. And basically, that's all.
Channel's Reese Lane.
All the fidget spinners are done, but now we have the special fidget spinners.
I've got one here. There's one here. So
these
show them backwards. Show them backwards.
Oh,
never mind then.
You can just show yours. So this one, sorry guys, we can't get it out of this. We tried earlier, but it didn't come out.
In my video, it's literally stuck.
It's stuck.
We're gonna have to try and get a knife and get it out like that.
But yeah, it's got 14 balls on it, and then basically he had this come today and that come today, but that one comes for free.
Literally, we had the package. All we seen was this at the front.
I can't show you face.
Like that.
Can't see your face.
Oh, like that. And then, actually, when we opened the packet out, we was like, there's something else in here. I jumped down. I was like, holy guacamole, there's another one. And it has different bearings. You can't take them out. It's actually kind of hard. I don't think you can take them out. It's really cool. It looks like a real one. Just the middle ones are changed. You can put I can put my finger through it. Just wee. And this is cool because it has like 14 those little balls, and it looks like a cool in the middle, like with those. Which is really cool. So yeah.
So basically, guys, this is the end of the video. Hope you liked our special ones, and make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, turn notifications on, comment below, and we'll see you in our next video.
What was your favourite fidget spinner in this video?
Tell me, comment below and say what was your favourite fidget spinner out of all fidget spinners, every single one.
Well, let's try and show them at the same time. Just put them on the table.
So we have these, and we have these as well.
Yeah.
So cool.
We have this
one. Captain America. And this one, guys.
The fish one. We have the pink one. We have my Minecraft one. But yeah, and this one came apart when in my video, so we didn't show it in mine. But yeah, if you check out my video, you can see that one, and you can actually see...
On this one, basically, guys, the bearings come out loads, and it's
but it took too long for us, so we just left them. But if you check out my channel, you'll see them, and you can also see what was the other ways you could do them. You can make it stand up, which is cool. And you can take some of them out and make like
they'll see it on your channel. If you go and check Reese's channel out, you'll see it. But make sure right now you hit that like button, subscribe down below, and turn notifications on and comment below. Make sure you put your thumbs up and go and check out Reese's channel and put the thumbs up for him and subscribe to him and turn notifications on for him and comment for him. And we will see you in the next video soon. And bye for now.